Most Citrix Platform Flex conversations eventually arrive at one question: how does this fit into what we already have? It's a fair question. To most, migration implies risk, downtime, retraining, and forced change. But Citrix Platform Flex isn't a reset, it's an extension. You aren't starting from zero. You've invested in Citrix access and capabilities. Citrix Platform Flex is designed to build on that foundation, preserving what works today while simplifying how environments are operated and scaled going forward. It is intentionally designed to align with existing Citrix deployments and access patterns. You can continue using familiar technologies you already trust: Citrix Workspace, Gateway Services, Storefront, NetScaler, and existing identity integrations, while Citrix Platform Flex introduces managed infrastructure and operating models behind the scenes. You don't have to abandon your current environment. You can move workloads at your own pace, run hybrid models, and adopt cloud-managed infrastructure without a total redesign. Citrix Platform Flex supports how you already operate, or removing much of the infrastructure burden you no longer want to own. The transition to Citrix Platform Flex is best understood as progressive adoption, not wholesale migration. Many organizations start by extending their existing Citrix Cloud environments with Citrix Platform Flex. From the user's perspective, nothing changes. The client, authentication, access, and app delivery stays consistent. Workloads can then transition selectively. You can reuse existing images to accelerate early adoption, or introduce new persona-aligned images during your next lifecycle refresh. You can avoid that big cutover, replacing it with validated pilots. Certain user groups can move first, while others remain on existing infrastructure temporarily. And on-prem and third-party cloud workloads can continue to coexist with Citrix Platform Flex. The result is a transition that is familiar and controlled. It gives you the confidence to modernize without destabilizing the business. When Flex is viewed as an extension rather than a replacement, the focus naturally shifts. Instead of asking how hard will this be to migrate, the question becomes, where does it make the most sense to start, and what do we gain by doing so? That is the real power of Citrix Platform Flex: a predictable operating model, standardized personas, managed infrastructure, and the freedom to move forward on your terms at your pace with confidence. That's how organizations modernize without regret, and that's what Citrix Platform Flex was built to deliver. I know this video series has just scratched the surface of what Citrix Platform Flex is and how it can make an impact on your technology strategy. But your business needs are complex, your personas are diverse, and your challenges may vary. But Citrix is here to help. Reach out to your Citrix team, reach out to a trusted Citrix partner, and we're ready to help you move on this journey with us.